how good your CPR is at the beginning and at the middle and at the end, because I can actually link them up to my iPad and it'll tell me how good your compressions are, how fast you're going, how many you've given, and if you're allowing for a full recoil. CPR is super easy. I know there were some concerns like, hey, is she old enough to take this? And absolutely. Josh and I went back and forth, and our belief is if they're interested, I will teach them. Keep going.
That's cool, but we pretty much do the same thing and open it up if we needed to. But what we're gonna do now is you're gonna apply this tourniquet to your partner's leg. May I borrow your leg? Now over here, I'm gonna start twisting this direction, and I've got two different things that we can get engaged here. But I've got a tri-ring and
oh my goodness,
getting that as tight as you can. Good at that.
And if it's something as small as that I can't pack adequately, maybe I just stick my finger in there, or I just hold pressure right over top of it. That's the biggest thing.